Hello everyone, 2026 is here, and I want to show you the most easiest and convenient way to create a countdown timer for your live stream session. It is very easy to set up, but before we go any further, please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment below if you like what I'm doing. First, you can go to my portfolio and find the stream countdown timer. You'll have the link for download in the description. Well, it's just download, but you will be redirected to a dashboard panel where you can configure your countdown time. So just click on download, wait for an eternity,
2,000 years later.
and you will be redirected to this countdown timer setup dashboard. So what you can do here, you can select the direction if you want to count up or count down. You can set up an interval or you can set up a date. For more accurate time, I suggest you to use a date because if you use a date, even if OBS Studio crashes or Streamlabs crashes, when you restart, your countdown or count up timer will resume from where you have set it. But for this example, I will just create a simple countdown from an interval of 15 minutes. And I want to style my countdown. You can remove the title if you only want to show the digits. And of course, you can use all kind of animations. And pretty much all look pretty nice. Let's choose, I'll go with this one. Okay. I don't want to use a background, but you can use whatever background you want. Let's use a green. You can set the opacity for the background and you can change the radius of your timer. But as I said, I don't want to use a background, so I just click here and reset to transparent. Okay, here you can create an ending title. So live stream starting in a moment. Let's for test just set this to 0 and you see we get the message. Let's move back to 15 minutes. And also let's choose a font. You can find pretty much any font from Google here. I will choose this one. And for the text color, I will choose something like that. Okay, now we have the countdown set up. All you have to do is copy the browser source. Now with that copied, we must move to OBS Studio. We are back in OBS Studio, and to make the countdown work, all you have to do is create a new browser source, call it countdown, hit OK, and paste the entire URL here. Set the dimensions. I just set it to Full HD and hit OK. Now you may see a consent dialog and this thing down here. This will be fixed in the next versions, but if you go to interact, you can click consent and that thing will disappear. Also this one, if you click X, it will disappear. And voila, you have the countdown timer. If you want to increase the text size, you can just go here and make font size. I think 20 rem should be big enough. No, it's too big. Let's reset it to 10. Okay, too big also. Let's go with 5 then. Yeah, that's okay. So you can use pixels or whatever else you want. It's not an issue. And if you just want to get rid of that, you can press Alt, keep pressed, and drag the top and the bottom line. And there we go. Very easy. And you can create multiple countdown timers and just add new browser sources. For some ready-made countdown timers for stream starting overlay, you can visit my shop. I have some fair prices, and all the money that we receive through that shop goes into the development of the free plugins I have created. And here I want to present you a couple of the overlays you can find on the shop. If you are a Minecraft player, this overlay must be something you may be looking for your stream starting soon. All these overlays comes with configuration file where you can change the colors, you can change the text, you can change the time, very easy, and it's just a plug and play uh, HTML file that you load in a browser source. Next one, it's for my MapleStory fans right here. If you guys are live streaming MapleStory gameplay, this may be probably the overlay that you're looking for your stream starting soon scene. Again, very easy to configure. It comes with the configuration file where you can just change all the texts and set up the time that you want to count down from. And if you are looking for something futuristic, this may be the overlay that you are looking for. A neon theme with, again, a configurable file where you can change colors and update the dates to count down from. Last but not least, an overlay, more advanced overlay actually, that connects to YouTube API and shows the total likes and viewers of your live stream, and it shows a nice countdown timer for stream starting soon. It's and these small animated emotes that makes the stream more dynamic. And also for this one, you have a configuration file where you can change the colors in the background, colors for all these lower thirds, colors for the text, and more things that you can configure for this starting soon overlay. So again, if you want these overlays, you will find them in my shop, very fair prices, and all the money goes towards the development of my free plugins. Thank you guys for watching. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment below, and see you soon on the next video.